Hello and welcome to Nature Days Outdoor Learning Resources, sponsored by the Gower Society. Now it's another bitterly cold day, so today we're going to be exploring ice and we're going to be creating some ice sculptures. So my challenge for you today is to look around your garden or your local area and see if you can find any ice that's not too thick that you can actually pick up. And if you can gather it about in one spot outside, we're going to see if we can create some art. So see if you can make an ice sculpture or an ice picture with the ice that you've collected. Now it's quite fiddly and ice is cold obviously, so I'd suggest you wear some gloves, but also it's very slippery, so trying to get it to balance is a bit of a challenge. So don't have any expectations, just see what the ice wants to do and see how tall you can make it, whether it wants to stand up, the wind might blow it away, but that's all part of it. So it's called transient art that just lasts for a very small amount of time. So this is all the ice that I've managed to collect from around my garden that will be picked up. And I've got a range of shapes and sizes. Some have got things encased in them, like leaves and bubbles, and some are very see-through. Some have got sharp edges, round edges. We've even got some nice little sharp bits there. So I'm going to try and make a sculpture out of this. Now I don't know what I'm going to do. See, I've got my stick here, my paintbrush here, encased in ice here. I'm trying to think how we could create that into a piece of art. Okay, no expectation, just have a look and see what I create. Whoop. If you manage to create any ice sculptures, then please do tweet them, #NatureDays, or put them on the Facebook page, and I'd love to see what you've managed to make. And I'll see you again for our next outdoor challenge.